folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with my summer look. And look at this, talk about summer. Hey, y'all ready to catch some waves? Check that out. Now, some of you have been following along and been anticipating this build, but none have been more anticipating than Matthew. So Matt, hey, we got it, brother. Look at that. So this is it. This is my very first acoustic guitar. And would I just play it simple and do a dreadnought off of a mold or buy a kit? No. I had to make something a little special, and it took Matt ordering it to get it to happen. This is a 30-inch scale bass 6 type tuning guitar. So call it a baritone if you want, call it a bass, call it a guitar, I don't care. It is 6 strings tuned E to E. All the other fancy details are over here in the description link, or the description. But, you know, just scroll, look, where it says more, click that. Anyway, so I'm going to give you a quick little sound demo. It does have some funky little other characteristics that we do need to discuss. Now, most acoustic guitars are going to be basically all sound by vibration between the top and the bottom. This one, more of the vibration is going to come off the bottom than the top, but some of that vibration has been dampened a little because we did have to reinforce it to put a pickup in the bridge. Most folks on acoustics, if you're going to put a pickup, will put them here. Matt wanted it here, and I don't blame him, because you'll see in a moment it does give you a different sound. And most likely this thing is going to be plugged in anyway. That's what he said. But here's what it sounds like just in the room. And of course, now the microphone attached to the phone that I'm recording this on is a good 6-7 feet away. So as you can tell, it does project a little bit of volume. It'll probably be great, you know, for strumming on the couch, you know, playing around while watching TV without disturbing too many people. But watch what happens when we hit the go button. It's all Fishman. So again, all the details are here, but we do have Piezo, whatever you want to call it. We have, it's a ceramic bridge, and a little piece under there makes it vibrate. Piezo, whatever. And of course, we do have a gristle tone P90 thing going on. Now, I do have this going through a 40-watt tube amp. Guitar amp, really, not a bass amp whatsoever. I did pull the tone off a little bit, but here's it all the way up. And let me pull down the Piezo, whatever. So this is all P90 right now. Okay, so now this is, I like to rolling it down just a little bit, about midway, get a little more punch. But you can tell, I mean, just the bite of that mid-range that you get from a P90, and this is an active P90, the gristle tone, so it's really going to kick it up a little bit. So let's put back that and now if we pull this down and just get the, let's call it Piezo, because this is Pi Day. This is 314, right? Leave in the comments, what do you call it? Kind of write phonetically if you can. Do you call it a Piezo, a Piezo? I mean, Papazano? What do you call that funky little, you know, thing that picks up the vibration, the ceramic type pickup? What do you call that? I'm just playing noodles, but they sound so good blended. Let me pull it back up. I wouldn't suggest playing this with distortion, especially not with the amps 4 feet away, but let's see what happens anyway. Oh, that's a wah-wah. Oh, ooh, that was cool. let's get where is that distortion? Where'd I put it? Ah, here we go. Yeah, again, the amp is right there, so it's going to feedback big time. But that's basically what we got there, folks. So it was a lot of fun. I do have, since I made this guitar, I do have all the molds ready to go to make another one. This was a great project to learn from and go from there. And I'm so glad that I've got, again, just a selection of customers that are willing to walk me through what they want and allow me to walk with them to achieve our ultimate goal. And that, to me, I think this is just a gorgeous guitar. And here you go, Matt. It's all ready for you, brother. Thank you again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.